Hello everyone, today we'll talk about molecule shapes basics using PhET simulation. In chemistry, the shape of a molecule plays a crucial role in determining its properties and behavior. The PhET molecule shape simulation allows us to explore how atoms arrange themselves in three-dimensional space based on VSEPR, or the valence shell electron pair repulsion. By manipulating molecules, adding atoms, and adjusting electron pairs, users can observe how different factors influence molecular geometry. These interactive tools help visualize common shapes like linear, bent, tetrahedral, and trigonal planar, also the octahedral, but enhancing the understanding of molecule structure and bonding. So here we have the model and real molecules. First, we will go to the model. So as you can see, there's only one molecule. When you bond it with another single bond, you will create a linear. So when creating a linear, just like this, it can create oxygen molecule or O2. And also when you remove one, you can create a beryllium fluoride. Now adding a triple bond, you can create a hydrogen cyanide or HCN. Now removing this, for our second shape, we have the trigonal planar, where you bond three single bonds, trigonal planar, and it measures 120 degrees. Example for trigonal planar is boron trifluoride or BF3. This, and also if you add a double bond, you create a formaldehyde or H2CO. For our next shape, the tetrahedral, it is adding 4 bonds to the molecule tetrahedral. So these bonds create methane or CH4. And another for this is the phosphate or PO4, by adding 4 bonds to the molecule. For our next bond, it is the trigonal bipyramidal. It is adding 1 bond to create 5 bonds to the molecule. Example for this is the phosphorus pentachloride or PCl5. Lastly, we have octahedral, or the adding 1 molecule again to the adding 1 bonding to the molecule. Example for this is the sulfur hexafluoride. Now you cannot add any bond to the molecule. Now let us proceed to the real elements. So using this, proceeding to the real elements or real molecules, just like that. That is BeCl2 or beryllium chloride. It is a linear shape with 180 degrees in a protractor ruler. Next is the BF3. It is a trigonal planar which consists of 3 bonds, BF3 or boron trifluoride. Next is the CH4. CH4, the tetrahedral example of tetrahedral CH4 is also known as methane. Next is the PCl5, consists of 5 bonds into a molecule called trigonal bipyramidal. PCl5, also known as phosphorus pentachloride. And lastly, for our octahedral, the SF6, I have already said this first on our molecule samples. SF6 is sulfur hexafluoride. So I hope you have learned something to our PhET simulation mini discussion. Thank you.